Hi guys! Pupunta kami sa zoo. Nagyaya ang aming baby car and syempre kasama ang aming poly driver. Ayan, si Daddy. And malapit na kami after church at agad ang aming tinunod. So, see you later guys! Bye! Turtle! See you my turtle. Ayun, spider! Balik muna tayo sa fish. Guys. Ayan, siya muna. Okay. Ayun na. Yung mga fishes nakatingin sa'yo. Oh, maganda na eh. Bawal daw yan. Bawal. Dito, ala, no running. Yun. Ay, ito, ang ganda ng ano. Flower horn. Ang ganda na. Ito. Yung ice horn. Wala. Oo nga yung head niya. Car, ito. Naangat yung head niya. Gutom na. Ito, Car. Ay, naku. Iba akong kain. Bagong kain. Taba. Car. Gusto pa niya ng food. Tingnan mo. Ay, yung dila niya. Yung dila niya. Hindi nga, baka naghahanap siya ng pinto. Lalabas na siya. Gusto niya. Anak, wag na naman. Anak, ano dyan? Bawal mag-knock-knock sa class. Na-hide. Ay, ang dami sa taas. Karte mo, tigas. Nadalamasos na. Mamaya dyan. Mapupunta dyan. Ganda yung picture mo. Iba yung curly hair. Parang pula. Nakita fish. Nakita fish mo sa taas. Ganda may finger. Susunod yan.
In a few moments, moments, we are going to start the show. But before we start the show, we have a few reminders. Our animals are still in training, so we would like to ask for everybody's assistance. So please remain seated all throughout the show, refrain from making unnecessary noise or movements. And please, keep the center aisle open because our animals are coming from all angles in the show area. And if you have foods with you, please keep it to yourself because our animals are trained in a food reward system. We don't want our animals to go to you and be rewarded. So now, with that in mind, are you guys ready for the show?
Yes!
Oh, come on guys, I can do better than that. Again, are you guys ready for the show?
Yes!
And once again, please keep the center aisle open. Thank you for your help. The show will start right now.
Ayan ko, open yung mga window. Bakan. Yun! Ay, pusa! Ay, nalaglag!
Well, what an entrance! How will it be again for your animal friends? Okay, so happy morning everyone. I am Pam and welcome to the Pets in Action Encounter Show, where you'll meet an exotic animals coming from some of the countries around the world. And as I tell more information about them and their unique personalities. And now guys, to start with, I will be needing some brave volunteers from the audience. So if you're all interested, all you have to do is just to raise up your hands and be with me here on the center stage as we bring out all of our animal friends on display. So now guys, this is gonna be my first brave volunteer. Yes, yo kuya, come on. Please come and join me here. Okay. Here we go. Okay, and I face the audience. Happy morning. What is your name? Primo. And how old are you, Kuya Primo? 7 years old. Do you like animals? Yes. Are you excited to meet our first animal friend?
Yes.
Yes. Now, to meet our first animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands just like this. Okay, and keep that steady, and whatever the animals that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. And before we proceed to our first animal friend, guys, I would like you to know that all the animals that we bringing out here is either tame, trained, and they are non-venomous, so you don't have to worry. Now, Kuya, back to you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, so we've ready now all the way from Pakistan, Afghanistan, and some part of India. Leo.
Kapag sa hand niya. Wow!
Okay, so now guys, Leo here is a leopard gecko. They got their name because of their spotted markings on their back, and they can reach up to 9 to 10 inches in length. And as their defense mechanism, their head is almost as the same shape as their tail. But unlike Tokai geckos we had at home, these guys don't have touch pads, but instead they got claws so they can cleanse our skin in a few seconds. So now guys, let's give a round of applause for Leo, the leopard gecko. And of course for Kuya Primo, for being so great. Thank you so much, and have some sanitizer. Thank you so much. Now, moving on down to our next animal friend. Can I have my next brave volunteer? Brave volunteer? Yes, ma'am. Come on. Come up. Yeah, wearing khaki long sleeve. Please come and join me here on the center stage. Okay, there you go. Hi, happy morning. Welcome to the Animal Encounter Show. What is your name, po?
Precious.
Precious. And how old are you, ma'am, Precious?
80.
8 years old. Do you like animals, ma'am?
Yes.
But how about insect? Do you like insect? Yes po, let's see. Now to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands just like that. And keep that steady, ma'am. And again, that whatever the animals or insect that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. Now, my Precious, for the last question, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, so we're ready now all the way from Madagascar, not just one, not two, but 4 Madagascar. Here's a cockroaches.
Cockroach! Baby!
Okay. So now guys, these are the large wingless species of cockroaches that could reach up to 2 to 4 inches in length. And they said that these cockroaches can scale through the glass or even in the chemical or nuclear outbreak. They are the only one who might survive. And now folks, imagine all those pesticides we use at home. So now guys, let's give a round of applause to our 4 Madagascar Indian cockroaches. And of course, for Ma'am Precious, for being so brave and have some sanitizer. Thank you so much. and you can go back to your seat now. Yung iba din hindi, but believe it or not, those cockroaches are edible to eat. Now, moving on down to our next animal friend, can I have my next female adult volunteer? Come on, come on. Okay. Dito tayo sa gitna. And then face the audience po. Happy morning. Welcome to the Animal Encounter Show. What is your name, ma'am?
Jenny,
Jenny. And where are you from, Jenny?
from General Quezon.
General Trias. Is it your first time to visit President's Inn?
No, not for the second time.
Second time. So may idea ka, ma'am, kung anong ilalabas naming animals?
So,
So nawala. Nakabuhat ka na ba ng camel, ma'am? Now, ma'am, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out your right hand, just like this. Okay, and keep that steady, and again, that whatever the animals or insect that we put in your hand, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. Now, ma'am, what animals are you afraid of? Frog. Buti wala kami nung dito, ma'am. Ma'am, keep that steady, and again, whatever the animals that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. Now, ma'am, for the last question, are you ready?
yes.
Yes, so we're ready now all the way from Mexico. Scrumpy. So now guys, here is one of the largest spider in the world, also known as the tarantula. But with those facial strands, tarantulas rarely bite people, but they often flick their hair as their defense mechanism, and they can live up to 25 years of age. So now guys, let's give a round of applause for Scrappy the tarantula, and of course for ma'am, for being so brave. Thank you so much po, and have some sanitizer. Gusto mo ba i-start ma'am?
Parang yun ang gusto mo.
Ikaw yung tinatanong ko, ma'am. Now you can go back to your seat now. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now guys, moving on down to our next animal friend. Can I have my next brave volunteer? Next brave volunteer? Come on.
No.
Minsan lang to. Wala mag-volunteer, ako ang pipili. Si baby. Okay, come on, please come and join me here. Sige sir, pwede niyo lang samahan.
Tayong dalawa.
Ay, ayaw.
Tayong dalawa.
You can do it. Come on. Okay, happy morning. Welcome to the Animal Encounter Show. What is your name po?
Tayong dalawa. Tayong dalawa.
What is your name? Gray. And how old are you, Kuya Gray? 3 years old. Kayo, sir? O si baby? Kasi kayo yung sumasagot sa Now, pwede po ba nabiba ka si baby, sir? And passes na lang natin. Now, baby, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands. Just like this. Ayaw? Oo, huwag na po natin pilitin, sir, kasi baka matrauma si baby. Now, who wants to replace, guys? Sino? Walang mag-volunteer? Wala. So, let's have a showcase na lang. Now, all the way from Africa, Chelsea. Sayang naman to. Okay, so now guys, Chelsea, here is a ball python, also known as the royal or the crown python, because they serve as pets for royalties in ancient Egyptians, the smallest of all python that can be found in Africa. And they got their name ball because they curl themselves into a ball when they are threatened or nervous. And they can live up to maximum in 50 years in captivity. So now guys, let's give a round of applause for Chelsea the ball python. And of course, our cute handler, Kuya Joshua. Thank you so much. And you can go back inside now. Now moving on down to our next animal friend, can I have my next brave volunteer? You again? Gusto mo? Sige, ikaw na lang ulit. Parang brave naman to eh. Now, face the audience. Happy morning. What is your name again? Primo. And do you like animals, Kuya Primo?
Yes.
Yes, but I have another question. Have you seen a dragon? No. Do you want to see a dragon? Do you want to see a dragon? No, you don't have to worry because I am here and we have our handler also. Now, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to stand straight, put your hands down, tingin ka lang sa kanila and huwag kang gagalaw. Ilalagay lang po namin sa balikat mo para makain ka na yan ng buo. Ready ka ba? Now, for the last question, are you ready? I need a yes answer. Are you ready? Yes. Yes, we've ready now all the way from the land under Australia. 10-10. Okay, so now guys, and here is a bearded dragon. They got their name because of their spiky pouch which pops off of their lower jaw, which resembles as their beard. Now, ladies and gentlemen, bearded dragon might look a little bit creepy, but they are perfect pets for our kids. And they can live up to roughly in 10 years of age. So now guys, let's give a round of applause for Tenten, the bearded dragon. And of course, for Kuya Primo again, for being so brave. Oh, huwag kang gagalaw. Gagalaw. Malapit ka na niya makain. Thank you so much, Kuya Primo. And you can touch the back, just like that. Okay, there you go. So, have some sanitizer. Thank you so much. Parang gusto mo lang iuwi, no?
Mas ayaw
Now guys, moving on down to our next animal friend. Can I have my next? Brave adult volunteer. Brave adult, female or male? Sino? Come on guys. Ikaw ma'am, gusto ko ng volunteer. Ikaw sir.
Tayong dalawa.
Sino?
Stand
Ikaw
ka
sir.
beside
Sige sir,
me.
ikaw na lang. Please come and join me here on the center stage. And then face the audience. Happy morning. What is your name, sir? Gian. And where are you from, Sir Gian? Imos. Is it your first time to visit President Zen?
First time.
First time. How is it?
So far, so good.
So far, so good naman. Now, what animals are you afraid of?
Frog.
Dragon? Dragon. Now, sir, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands, just like that. But this time, the right hand must be higher than the left hand. And keep that steady, and again, that whatever the animals that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. Now, sir, nakabuhat ka na ba ng kamen? Tutulungan kita. Sige. Now, sir, keep that steady, and again, that whatever the animals that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. Now, sir, for the last question, are you ready?
Born ready.
Born ready. So, we're ready now all the way from the Central and North America. Chaloy. Parang napamura ka sir. Now guys, Cholo, here is a green iguana, also known as the bamboo chicken, because they can be found on the top of the tree branches 50 feet above the ground, and they can drop straight down without getting hurt because of their tough, leathery skin, and they have these juleps which they use to store fats and to escape from starvation. And they are also herbivores, which means they eat fruits, veggies, and flowers as well. So now guys, let's give a round of applause for Cholo the green iguana, and of course for Sir Gian for being so brave. Uy, kunin mo na. Makagat pa yan, napamura na nga kanina. And also sanitizer, thank you so much. And you can go back to your seat now. Now guys, moving on down to our next animal friend. Can I have my next? Brave adult volunteer. Kanina kumuha ako ng male. How about this time, female naman? Come on, this is a once in a lifetime, guys. Come on, volunteer. Wala? Gusto niyo ako magturo? Ako magtuturo. Sige, dun tayo sa bandang likod. Okay. Bakit? Paano nagtuturo ka, ma'am? Ikaw na lang kaya. Tara na! Ayaw mo isa. Oh, binilang. Come on. Please come and join me here on the center stage. Ayaw. Sige na, ma'am. Ayaw mo? Huwag ka na mahiya, ma'am. Ako lang to. Pili. And then face the audience, ma'am. Happy morning. Welcome to the Pets in Action Encounter Show. What is your name po?
Jenny.
Jenny. And where are you from, Ma'am Jenny?
From Pangasinan.
Pangasinan. Ang layo. First time mo makapanood ng animal show, ma'am? Hindi po. Now, ma'am, what animals are you afraid of po?
Tiger.
Tiger. Buti hindi namin sinashowcase dito yung dito, ma'am. Now, pwede? O, sige, kunin mo doon. Now, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands, just like this. But this time, ma'am, it should be more. Wider. Wider pa, ma'am. Parang mali ka eh. Ay, hindi to hahas, ma'am. At hindi ko rin naman may papangakong hindi yung talaga hahas. Kasi, ma'am, wala ka nga dapat ipagkabahala kasi meron namang libreng anti-venomous sa labas. Nakita mo yun si Sir, siya ang magtutulog sa'yo sa labas. Libre lang yun. Now ma'am, keep that steady. And again, that whatever the animals that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. Now ma'am, for the last question, are you ready?
Ready na, wala nang choice.
Wala nang choice. You're ready now all the way from the South America. Rocky. Okay. Okay, bawal magmura. Okay, so now guys, Rocky, here is a red-tailed boa. Boas generally live in their own. They don't interact with any other snake unless they want to mate. And one fascinating fact about boa is they give live birth to their young, unlike any other snake who lay eggs. And they are also hollow-breed, which means they constellate their prey before they swallow everything whole. So now guys, let's give a round of applause for Rocky, the red-tailed boa. And of course for Ma'am, for being so brave. Gusto ba iuwi si Rocky, ma'am? I have some satisfaction. Pwede naman. Kasi sa bag mo eh. Thank you so much po.
Sir, dito na.
And thank you so much, Joshua. Okay, now, have you ever wondering how we train our animal friends here in the zoo? We use a training method called the operant conditioning. And one of the tools that we use is a target stick. And at the end of the stick, there's a reward. Okay, now allow me to introduce you to Flash, together with his partner, Kuya Lucy.
Oh, Bashi.
Come on, Flash. So now guys, Flash is going to use his powerful leg muscles to reach for his goal.
Bashi. Good. Go.
That was so fast. How would it be?
Wait. You're not done yet.
What do you mean you're not done yet?
Guys, jump is just only a warm-up.
A warm-up for you or for the cat?
Of course, for the both of us. What I meant is, Flasher is going to do a higher jump. Do you want to see that?
Yes!
Okay, that kind of response. The one that's gonna jump here is that funny-looking guy here on stage. Now again, do you want to see Flash jump higher?
Yes!
Now Flash, show us how high you can jump.
Alright, mga Flashy.
Laglag. Nakita niya.
Alright, Flashy. Go. Hey.
That was so high. How would it be for Flash? Our adopted stray cats. Thank you so much, Flash, and thank you so much, Lucy. Ikaw, Flash. Ano mo na sasabihin, Flash? Oy. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you so much, Flash. And thank you so much, Kuya Lucy. And thank you so much, Kuya. Gusto niyo si Kuya Joshua naman na tumalon? Now guys, moving on down to our next animal friend. But before we proceed to our next animal friend, I would like to ask everyone to please be seated all throughout the show. And please keep the center aisle open. And para po sa mga parents, paki-assist na lang po ang ating mga chikiting. Dahil dyan po dadaan ng aming lion. Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Bernie.
Who let the dogs out?
Come on, Bernie. Okay, so now guys, Bernie here is a Saint Bernardo. They are one of the giant dog breeds. He is tall, majestic, masterful, strong, and muscular. The first bodybuilders of the dog's world. Not exactly what that dog has energy and stamina. Perfect for all his past jobs, including farming, watchdogs, and search and rescue. Now, Saint Bernard are also very active, saying thus to be bold. But sorry, folks, as far as we know, they don't do laundry. Hi, Bernie. Welcome to the show. Come on, Bernie. Bernie. Hi, Bernie. And then face the audience, Bernie. And then sit down. Come on, Bernie. And then I ask everyone to say hello to Bernie.
Hello!
Again, say hi, Bernie.
Hi!
Now, Bernie, can you please say hi to the crowd?
Hi!
Good job! Sabi ni Bernie guys, hello daw, welcome to Residency. Naiintindihan ko po si Bernie kasi dati po ako ang aso. At naiintindihan tayo ni Bernie kasi dati siya? Tuta, mami. At dahil dyan tatawagin kita mamaya. Now guys, can I ask everyone to raise up your hands just like this? As high as you can. And then wave, because Bernie is going to wave bye to everyone.
Bye!
Good job. Now guys, let's give a round of applause for Bernie, the Saint Bernard dog. And of course for Kuya Doms, our trainer. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Bernie. O diba guys, napaka-cute ni Bernie. Ewan ko na lang sa ating next na animal friend. Now, moving on down to our next animal friend, but this time, can I have my 5 brave adults volunteer? 5 brave adults? Come on. Yes, let's go. Okay. I got 1, 2, 3. Last two. Last two, guys. Come on. Okay, and I got my 5 brave adult volunteer. And atras po tayo ng konti. And can I ask you to please create a straight line? And then compress yourself po. Okay, at hindi na po natin ito patatagalin pa. Now, ay wait lang. Ma'am, kung pagbibigyan kong lumipat sa bandang dulo, papayag ka ba? Okay lang po ata dyan. Magpalit kayo isa. Thank you so much. Now, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to raise up your hands just like this. As higher as you can. May idea ba kayo kung bakit nakataas yung kamay natin? Ikaw, sir, wala? Ah, wala. Kasi sasayaw tayo na? Sayaw! Sayaw! We're just joking, guys. Now, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands, just like this. Okay, and keep that steady. And again, that whatever the animals that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. Pwede po kayong umiyak, pero bawal po kayong mag-back out. Now, for the last question, guys, are you ready?
Yes!
Mahina, gusto ko malakas. Gusto ko sabay-sabay. Are you guys ready? Yes! How about you guys? Are you ready?
Yes!
So if you're ready now, all the way from the Southeast Asia. Tiny. Come on, Tiny. Okay, the pound per pound. One of the meanest animal count in the country. And it requires requires a regular contact in order to keep them tame. The second of the largest snake in the world that could reach up to 30 to 30 feet in length, and it could weigh up to 200 to 300 pounds. Hi sir, happy morning. Welcome to the show. What is your name po? Arcel. And where are you from, Sir Arcel? Imos. Is it your first time to hold a snake? Hindi naman. Is it your first time? How does it feel naman to hold the head part? Malamig. Kasi cold-blooded po yan, sir. Dito naman po tayo sa Batangulo. Relax ka lang dyan, sir. Kasi andito ang ating napakakisig at napakakita hunter, hindi ka niya pababayaan. Ay. Dito tayo sa Batangulo. Happy morning, ma'am. Welcome to the Animal Encounter Show. What is your name? Precious. And where are you from, Precious, again? Gently. And is it your first time to hold a snake? Yes, how does it feel to hold the tail part? It's incredible. Spell. Or maybe because you're just holding the tail. Gusto mo bang hawakan yung bandang ulo? Okay, at dahil nakaka-request ka, ma'am, relax ka lang because we are going to switch. Head goes to here and tail goes to there. Okay. Now guys, did you know that pythons have a very poor eyesight? But how they can see their prey? Underneath their jaws, they have small holes or pins which serves as infrared scanner. Their fork-like tongues is a combination of eyesight, hearing, and taste. So now guys, let's give a round of applause for tiny the albino Burmese python. And of course, our fine brave adult volunteer. Thank you po, and have some sanitizer guys. Thank you so much. Sanitizer, sanitizer. And you can go back to your seat now guys. Hello, nakikinig pa po ba lahat? Hello!
Hi!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Do you want more?
Yes!
Okay, now I just want you to sit back, relax, and keep enjoying the show. Now, all pets have remarkable talent, but it's up to you to figure it out what the special talent is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our pets. Now, folks, that you've met all of your animal friends, now it is the right time to talk about them. Remember, guys, animals, no matter how big or small, has the rights to live free from hunger, thirst, or even danger, where we humans have to play the biggest role. So do your part. Help us protect and conserve our environment. And in behalf of our residents and staff, and to our wonderful animal friends, we do hope you enjoy this presentation. Maraming salamat po. See you around the board, guys. Bye, everyone.
And guys, before you leave for those who are interested to have a photos taken together with ID, please create a straight line view from the center and for the faster photo session.
Sige ma'am. Pipicturean ko din po kayo. Optional lang naman itong gustong kunin. Okay, look at here ate. And 1, 2, 3, smile. Ate, baby, look at here. 1, 2, 3. Okay po, thank you po.
Massage lang yun, massage.
Naka-ano pa ulit, di ba?
Opo.
Massage lang yun.
Message lang yun? Hand kapit nila yun?
Kapit nila.
Akin na lang yung ano mo, food. Ibon! Tawag mo nga tatag. Wait.
Tingin baby.
Huwag mo yung ipan.
Say hi, say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi na lang si camera.
Anak, hi sa camera.
Say hi. Hello.
Parang mas umunti na yun.
Opo, ma'am.
Dati sobrang dami nito eh.
Walo, ma'am. Inabot po tayo, ma'am, ng taglamig. Medyo nagkaroon po ng mga sipon yung iba. So, inaalis na ho namin pag kami sipon.
Oo nga, ano, parang makahawa.
Opo. Magpapalit na rin po kami, ma'am, ng mga birds.
Ay, ganun yun.
Opo.
Ipapagpag ko na kasi mas
Okay.
naging sila dyan.
Bali, magpapalit na rin po kami yan. Hintayin lang po kasi.
Dati punong-puno.
Oo, kasi magtatag-field trip na din po.
Aalis sila dyan, aalis.
Say hi daw sa video ka. Ayun na yun.
Ayun, ayun. Ayun lang. Teka lang. Akala nila food yung ano po, yung shoes ko. Inig nila.
So, shall we?
We can go na.
Okay, go na.
Nakakain na tayo ng anak.
Sige, dito lang po kami. Dito lang po kami bago. Ma'am,
Sige lang anak, magpapatapos tayo. Dangerous. Dangerous ko pa sila.
kami po, sir.
Ayun yung anak.
Atin mo din.
Hi! Wow, magpapakain tayo ng horse.
Okay lang po.
Okay lang, bibitawan mo na pag binight na nila.
Hindi mo na sa kanya, bitaw mo na.
Baho! Babaho eh. Ito, harap pa dito. Smile naman. Uy! Yun! Uy, smile. Smile.
Nasa anak, anak, dito ka lang. Ay, or come here.
Dami, tumas na.
Baka mawala ka. Yun, ay, nangihinay na sa'yo. Ano? Shaking it sa daddy.
Kaya tayong sagot.
Yun, very good. O, bitaw anak.
Bitaw, 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 bitaw.
Good job. Another one, doon sa mga small.
This one, Car.
Yan, give mo. Doon sa mga small. Punta ka doon. Sige, tungtong ka sa bato. Yan. Yan, paunahan sila. They want more. Yung ba, get mo pa yung iba. Yan, ikaw nilaglag. Abot mo sa kanila. Yung, ano, dulo ang ibigay mo, yung dulo. Yan, yan. Yan ibigay mo, Car. Pasok mo sa butas.
Pasok mo sa butas, Car.
Yan. Yun, yun pa.
Pasok mo sa butas. Car, yun sa taas, sa taas.
Yun, sa taas siya.
Bitaw.
Wait lang. Ay, ulit. Again. Again, nak, again.
Yan, pambing lang yan.
Lapit ka doon, punta ka sa kabila. Punta ka sa kabila, nak. Good.
Ada sa camera na to.
More. Yung pawawa naman sila, wala silang food. Bigyan mo nga, Car. Wawa naman. Wag yung hand mo.
Car, bigyan mo.
Tig-isa sila, bigyan mo both of them.
Pasok mo sa butas.
Oh.
Ship mo sa butas.
Oh, bitaw mo. Yung isa pa, bigyan mo naman yung isa, kawawa naman. You, share na sila.
Share sila.
Hindi dyan. Ay, anak, masakit mga gat yan. Pasok mo, kaya mo yan. Yan, sige, yan. Nice.
Pasok mo pa, pasok mo. Pasok mo sa loob, pasok mo. Yan, sige, pasok mo. Okay, bitaw.
Yung isa pa nalaglag. Yung isa naman, yung white, bigyan mo.
Pasok mo, pasok mo. Ay, bigay mo, food niya yan. Bitaw.
Mananokso talaga.
Yan, sa camel. Car!
Gusto pa daw niya, sige na, okay lang, mamaya. Wala tayo sa camel. Gusto napaka ano.
Para maubos mo na ito, papakain mo na.
Meron pang ano yan, isang pack.
Rabbit po eh. Ano pa tayo sa rabbit?
Wala tayo sa camel. Dali.
Tartaw dulo. Tartaw na.
Car, dito na.
Mama, tingnan mo. Oh, wait lang. Wait lang. Okay mo naman.
Grabe yung laway nila. No? Wait lang anak, nanguya pa.
Wait, can sino?
Ayan, papunta na. How can I do?
Dulo lang, dulo. Dulo lang bigay mo. Bitaw.
Nice one. Another. Mahaba ba yan? Pahabain mo.
Sa dulo mga tira, dulo mga karaba. Huwag yan. Sa dulo mga wakan. Bitaw.
Swallow niya. Sinat manak sa butas. Ayan na, init na niya. Katakot yung ice, oh. Pag malalapit yung hand mo dyan. Pero what's up? Nag-eat na nga siya. Nag-thank you na, oh. Yung pa, dun, daddy. Yan nga.
Dito. Kaya dito.
Huwag mo ibibitawan, ah. Baka,
Hindi dito sa...
wait lang, tayo mo muna lumapit. Huwag mo bibitawan. Hindi nila i-eat yan.
Baka hindi sa rabbit na.
Hindi, sa rabbit ganyan. Huwag mo ibibitawan. Carl, huwag mo bibitawan. Carl, dito sa other one. Wala man pa bibig. Ito kaya Carl, dito. Dito sa taas. Doon. Yan, akit ka dyan. Yan panghawak mo.
Yung dulo ka, yung dulo.
Kabila, yung other side Carl. Hindi, anak, tumingin ka sa akin. Ibalik ka rin mo. Hindi, yung puwet ng ano mo. Ito bang ano? Ito, ganito. Sige, isa, dalawa pa yan. Isa muna. Yan, isa muna, abot mo. Tinutulak nung... Oh, bitaw mo na, bitaw. Oh, give mo yung other one. Nice, ang galing ah. OMG, that's so scary and amazing. Nagdi-drink siya ng water.
The line. Tapos yung walking na.
In fairness, ang baho. Car, wag! Uy, ba't ka nagpupulat? Ang damod siyan. Car, yun ah. May mahaba. Yan, sa fit mo. Sa harap. Yun. Move ka pa. Oh, sa fit mo. Nasa fit. Oh, sayawan mo sila. Sayawan mo. Car, sayawan mo. Tama na, let's go. Is that your friend? Nakuha siya ng ano, oh. Tama mo, kiniklin niya yung ano niya, legs niya. Kiniklin niya yung sugat niya.
The biggest one?
Picturean ko kayo ng biggest.
Hello. Makake.
Ang panghi mo na.
Sino mo?
Oh, that's your favorite.
Let's go there, the other one.
Iguana again.
There's other.
First.